I like trains.
Hello everyone. As you can see, I'm here at Woodbine Road crossing on the old main line at night. And for like the third consecutive video, you guys are going to see CSX Q372, a mixed freight train. And this is the, well, let's see, at this point, this will be the third Q372 I will catch in the last 4 days. I caught one on Saturday. Wait, let me think about this. Saturday, May 21st, right down there at Newport Road. Monday, May 23rd, wait a little bit further back there at Watersville Road. And here, well, it's actually Wednesday, May 25th, but it's Q372-24, so it's Tuesday's Q372 here in Woodbine Road. So Q372 is currently approaching. It has some good stuff on it, that's why I'm out. I believe it's got a either a Jeep-3 or an SD40-3. I don't know what it is. We're just gonna find out when it passes. This train is 708 axles, so it's pretty long. I think it's about 170 cars. And I also was told that there are 3 locomotives up front, including that -3 EMD, and 2 mid-DPUs. And then I was also told that this train has, well, the only fallen flag that I know of that's on this train is a Southern Pacific cushion car boxcar. But apparently there's also a series of 3-bay loaded coal hoppers on this train that are CSX. And those aren't rare, but they are definitely uncommon. And I think the coal hoppers are loaded too. So I know this is kind of a long intro, but you guys can always skip. And well, that's all I have. This train might have other stuff on it. We will see. We'll just find out when it passes. So I'm gonna let you guys go. And here comes Q372 here in downtown Woodbine, Maryland. Alright, he's here. $45.56, 2012, 2 EMD trailing. And there's the SP box, 2 of them, 2 SP box cars. Nice. Been a while since I've seen a Mac. Wish it was leading, but I'm not gonna complain. I'm not sure if that was in YN3C paint or not. Boy, 372 is flying. Ah, C&O gondola right there. You probably couldn't see it, but that was a C&O gondola. That looked interesting. I was told one of these hoppers had Ann Arbor on them, and Ann Arbor is a fallen flag railroad. That might have been it, but I'm not sure. Wonder where the coal hoppers are. DPUs 7258 and YN3458. And S gondolas, those are interesting. I seriously wonder where the 3 bays are. I hope I didn't misinform you guys. Nothing but tankers here. Huh. Maybe those few cars earlier were the 3 bays. I don't know. Oh, here they are. And yep, they are loaded. 8300 series 3-bay hoppers. I like the looks of these. There's the end. Alright, well that was a pretty good Q372, and yeah, I guess that that one interesting hopper was the Ann Arbor hopper. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video of this Q372, and here from downtown Woodbine, Maryland, at Woodbine Road Crossing. This is the Old Main Guy signing off, and as always guys, have a great day out there wherever you may be.